Hello students, today we will see in chapter 2 playing with numbers BODMAS. Previously you have seen what is DMAS and ODMAS. Now here before ODMAS I have put B, which stands for bracket. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. You are familiar with ODMAS only. Before this ODMAS I have written B, which indicates bracket, and this is the order of operation. Means if in a given sum all the four operations are given along with of and bracket, then we will follow the sequence that first we have to solve bracket. Solve first. What we will solve? We will solve bracket first. Of means multiplication. This cross sign means what? Multiplication sign. D stands for division and M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. And I have put numbers also here. First we will solve bracket, second we will solve of, third we will solve division, fourth we will solve multiplication, fifth we will do addition, and sixth we will do subtraction in a given sum. Now when we are talking about bracket, mainly there are four types of bracket. Here the symbols are shown and the name of the bracket is written. This bar, this is a line, this is called vinculum or bar bracket. Second, this is round bracket, small bracket or parenthesis. Out of three, any one name you can use for it. Maybe you can say round bracket, small bracket or parenthesis. The third one is curly bracket. It is also known as middle or braces. And the last one is square bracket. It is also called big bracket or box bracket. Now, the order in which I have mentioned the symbols, in the same manner, if in a given sum, if you find this type of brackets, so first we will always solve the bar bracket. Then we'll go for the round bracket or small bracket. Then we will solve the numbers within parentheses, and lastly we'll solve the square or big bracket. Now the same we will see with an example. Hello students, now we will see one example using BODMAS. Just before we have seen what is BODMAS. BODMAS means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. That is the order of doing operation. Now we have seen the types of brackets also just before. Here again I am just revising you all. The outermost bracket, that is the square bracket. Inside it you can see this is curly bracket. Inside curly bracket you can see the round bracket, and inside round bracket you can see a bar bracket. So when you look at the brackets, you have to solve first the bar bracket, then we will go for the round bracket, the numbers within the round bracket, then the numbers within the curly bracket, and lastly we will solve the numbers within the square bracket. Now we will see through an example. On the board you can see this example 46 minus, and you can see this is the outermost or the square bracket. Inside this square bracket you can see first number is 34 minus, this is curly bracket 17 minus, in the round bracket 9 minus 6 minus 3, and you can see 6 minus 3 above there is a bar bracket, the small bracket closed, then this curly bracket closed, and lastly the square bracket closed. So before solving, you know that in BODMAS we will go in the manner left to right. Okay, but we will not change the sequence of the number. We will write the numbers below and the sequence of following bracket. First we will solve brackets, and the sequence of solving bracket is first we will solve the bar bracket. And you can see the bar bracket is between 6 and 3. So we will write first step will be, the rest number will be as it is. We will not change the brackets or we will not remove the other brackets. So I am just noting down the numbers as it is. 17 minus. I am not solving first this, so 9 will be as it is. But first what I am going to solve? The highlighted, this 2. 6 minus 3, because above this there is this bar bracket. So 6 minus 3, what it will gives me? It will give me 6 minus 3, 3. This small bracket closed, parenthesis, and curly bracket, and this is the square bracket. So what we have done in this step, first we have highlighted where is the bar bracket, and that much part only we have replaced, and rest we have written as it is. Okay, 6 minus 3 I have replaced with this 3. After solving the bar bracket, we will go, this we have solved bar bracket, now we have to go for round bracket. And where is round bracket here? The round bracket is here, and in the round bracket what we have to do? 9 minus 3. So I am just highlighting this because next we are going to solve this only. So the procedure is same. The remaining numbers, when we are not operating anything with them, will be written as it is. We will not remove the brackets also. 17 minus. Now what is 9 minus 3? 9 minus 3 is 6, and I am writing it. Now I can remove this bracket because I have solved the bracket. So I will be writing it here 6, and as we have removed this, so I will close with the curly bracket, and finally the square bracket. Till this it is clear to everyone? In the first we have solved the bar bracket, we have replaced 6 minus 3 with 3. Okay, and all these 3 numbers were in the small bracket. So first we have solved only this much part, and after solving, the number which came I have written in the small bracket only. And second step, we have solved this in the small bracket, because first bar bracket, then we'll go for the small bracket. 9 minus 3, you know 6. So I have removed this bracket and I have written directly the number. Now I have this with me, 46 minus in the square bracket 34 minus, this is curly bracket 17 minus 6, and the curly bracket closed and the square bracket. So what the rule says, after solving the bar bracket, we have solved the round bracket or small bracket. Now we have to solve the curly bracket or braces. So rest numbers will be written as it is. 46 minus, the square bracket will be as it is, 34 minus. Now what we will do, we will solve this because only this much portion is left. 17 minus 6, what it will gives? It will gives 11. When I solve this, I will be getting answer as 11, and the square bracket closed. Almost we have solved all the brackets according to this sequence. Now lastly we will solve this square bracket. 46 minus, within the bracket when we subtract, what comes? 4 minus 1 3, and 3 minus 1 2. So I will be writing here 23. Now what is left at last? 46 minus 23. So the answer is 6 minus 3 3, and 4 minus 2 2. We'll see more example in this manner.